Last summer, I finally learned how to do 1-foot pivots. And if you recall from this video,
I can't keep my foot up.
I did not keep my foot up to save my life. And even though I wouldn't call myself an expert, I wanted to share some tips that I learned that really helped me get to the next level with these pivots. First though, some basic prerequisites for 1-foot pivots would be skating forward, skating backwards, and 2-foot pivots. If you don't already know how to do 2-foot pivots, feel free to check out my video on that. Now let's get started. Tip number 1. How good can you balance on 1 foot? 1-foot balance is extremely important for snapping and not just holding your foot up straight. You need to achieve balance with your free leg out in the front, out in the back, out to the side, and not just stationary. You need to accomplish 1-foot balance while moving forward and while moving backward. These are old clips of me trying to keep my foot up while going backwards. And at times I was really struggling. And now that I look back, it makes sense why I could not achieve the 1-foot pivot. Aim for at least 15 to 30 seconds on one leg for each of these stances. Definitely not like in this video. I was struggling. It's crucial because you need to get comfortable on all of your edges. See, when you snap, you're not going to land in the center of your foot every single time. A lot of the time you land on your edge. And if you're not comfortable with that edge, it will feel like you are falling. By practicing 1-foot balance, you will teach yourself what each edge feels like and how to get back to center without dropping your other foot. Tip number 2, mini stationary snaps. These are really a game changer at pushing yourself beyond your limits. This teaches you where to position your free leg in order to maintain balance as you snap. Go inside on both feet, applying pressure on your big toe, and outside on both feet, pressing your weight on your pinky toe. And similar to 2-foot pivots, the goal is to slide across like you have a sock on. If you're newer, you might be jumpy at first, but most snaps should be a slide, not a hop. And try to do this to a song that has a slower beat, then work your way up to songs with faster beats until you progress. Tip number 3, snap and hold. Doing a 1-foot pivot and then forcing yourself to keep your foot up. This is probably the hardest part about the 1-foot pivot. You are essentially throwing your body into another direction on 1 foot, and as an automatic response to protect you, your body wants to put your other foot down immediately. You have to bend your knees even more than usual to accomplish this. Obviously going at a slower pace, but once you have this, you literally are almost there. You're almost at the finish line. Tip number 4, step and go.
Gigi said, when you stomp your foot, you snap. No more hesitating. You stomp your foot and you snap. You stomp your foot and you snap. And I think that's how it helped me because I'm losing momentum, and I think that's causing me to put my foot down. I don't have enough momentum to keep going. It's not smooth.
While this step isn't necessary for the experts, this can really help you as a beginner to this move. This helps you put all of the momentum, all of your weight, and all of your trust into your foot right before you snap. Try to keep your feet under your body to keep maximum balance. And for a cop-out, you can even step at an angle so that you aren't really doing a full 180 turn, more like 150 to 170. Almost like a little head start, you know? Listen, a win is a win. Don't tell anybody I told you. Tip number 5, use somebody's arm. This is very important because you can rely on someone else to center yourself every time you snap. Even if you have not achieved the snap and hold yet, you may be able to achieve the snap and hold while holding someone's wrist. And this is a game changer because then your muscle memory will kick in while you are attempting to do it by yourself. Also, your confidence will skyrocket. The key here is to use the assistance from someone, but over time, try to use the assistance less and less. At first, you probably will be holding on for dear life, but when you have confidence, you won't feel the need as much as you did before. And finally, trust the process. This was me last summer after I finally got 3 full snap rotations while holding up my foot the entire time.
I just did it. I just did it.
I was so proud of myself. Being a little dramatic, but it's okay. And then you'll be doing 1 foot pivots in any and all directions and having the time of your life. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what skate tutorial you want to see next. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Okay, so basically, I'm about to do a snap, a 1 foot pivot, and then I'm gonna do regular pivots, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I did it in a voiceover because it's way too loud.